What's up everyone, I'm Chris from Limitless Car Care, and if you want your wheels and tires to look like this, we'll show you how in just a few easy steps using our products and tools. So these are the tools and products that we're going to be utilizing today. First off, we're going to have our grip gloss tire dressing. We're going to have a solution of decon degreaser for cleaning the rubber and rim. We have our easy detail brush to get back behind the barrel of the rim. We have our stiff bristled tire brush for the rubber, our super soft nylon brush for the wheel, and we actually have three forms of applicators for the dressing. One's going to be a spray application, the other is going to be our contoured tire dressing applicator, and the third is going to be a paintbrush. So let's clear all this out and get started. So for the first step in our clean, dry, apply method, we're going to rinse the tire off. And this removes any significant bulk and debris that's on the rim and the tire. So now continuing on with the cleaning step, we're going to use our diluted solution of decon degreaser, 1 to 10. That's 1 part decon, 10 parts water. And you're just going to spray that all over the rubber and the rim. And we're just going to let that sit, let the product do the work so you don't have to. So after the product has dwelled and it's sitting, we're ready to use our stiff bristle tire brush to start cleaning the rubber of the tire. And you can give that a good scrub. You can see all the brown and dirt that comes off of there. That's brake dust and road oil. So now we're going to grab our easy detail brush out of the bucket, and we're going to clean the barrels of our wheels. After we do that, we will clean the face of the wheels with our super soft nylon wheel brush, making sure to get inside all the nooks and crannies. Now once we've scrubbed the entire face and cleaned the rubber of the tire, we're going to rinse it down with the hose. So now that the clean step is done, we're going to go to the dry step, and we're going to use one of many ways. We could use compressed air, you could use the Metro vac and blow, you could use the sun if you want to. Park it outside on a sunny day and that will dry the rubber. And the reason that we dry the tire is because we don't want the dressing to get in contact with the water, or else you might have streaks or runs or something that's going to dilute that dressing down. So we're going to use compressed air here. So now that we have a completely dry tire, we're going to use one of these methods to apply. Spray, a paintbrush, or a tire dressing applicator. Now the best method down here for this particularly sized tire would be the contour tire dressing applicator. The paintbrush is really good for very large, off-road tires on trucks and 4x4s. And the spray method I don't really prefer because it's going to get all over everything. If it's a windy day outside, it might get on your nice clean wheel now, and you don't want to do that. So we're going to stick with the contour tire dressing applicator method. So you're going to take your grip gloss, you're going to spray some on your applicator. You could also use the provided turret top that we have, and you're going to go along your tire. And this is nice because you can get really close to that rim. And that's how you clean and dress your tires.